You are watching HPR.
The CUISINART TAO-95 is a high-end digital air fryer and toaster oven. Calculating the overall ratings of the 4,284 reviews gives us an aggregate score of 4.625 stars out of 5, converting into our HPR grade of 92.5 or an A-.
Product specifications.
Basic model features and specifications include 0.95 cubic foot oven capacity. At 1800 watts, this model is large enough to air fry up to 4 pounds, toast 9 slices of bread, bake a 13-inch pizza, or fit a 9 by 13-inch baking pan. It has a Nonstick Easy-Clean Interior and dishwasher safe accessories. It also includes oven rack, baking pan, air fryer basket, and crumb tray. For convenience, its alarm tones are adjustable with 3 settings: off, low, and high. Primary cooking options feature 13 cooking functions: air fry with presets, bake, broil, pizza, roast, dual cooking, reheat, keep warm, toast, bagel, dehydrate, low, and slow cooking. There's a toast shade selector and defrost option, high and low speed convection. Max adjustable cooking temp is 450 degrees, adjustable cooking time, preheat option with the default setting of 30 minutes at 350 degrees. This preheat option is adjustable.
Reviews and concerns.
Let's take a look at the major retailer website ratings and discuss critical reviews. Bed Bath & Beyond has 84 reviews with a 4.7 average rating out of 5. The primary critical review comes from Fox67. I'm having a tough time getting used to the controls. It cooks hot. I have burned a few meals on the learning curve and had a few cook unevenly on regular bake. Love the air fryer option. I had an old model for many years and purchased this for an upgrade. I'm not overly thrilled, but still trying to make it work for my family. Fox 67's issues with this model could reflect the learning curve discussed in the owner's manual. There are 4 primary aspects to air frying: the rack of choice, the height placement of the rack, the temperature, and of course the cook time. As you can see here, the owner's manual has surprisingly detailed diagrams and charts. These images were taken directly from the owner's manual PDF. There are numerous detailed recipes included, with many users reporting success following the steps CUISINART provides. CUISINART's official website has 136 reviews with a 4.8 average rating. The primary critical review comes from Jethro. Plenty big. Air fryer works well. Plenty of heat. Bake feature requires long preheat times, up to 4 minutes. Very inconvenient. Preheat times are adjustable, and recommended settings are listed in the owner's manual. That said, running an 1800 watt appliance for long periods of time can affect your electric bill, as well as generate lots of heat surrounding the device. Kohl's has 140 reviews with a 4.7 average rating. The primary critical review comes from Elburn Girl. I returned the oven because there was pitting on the baking pan after 2 uses. CUISINART could not order a new pan for me because it was not available. Agent claimed the pan was non-stick aluminum. That is weird. I thought non-stick aluminum would have some kind of Teflon finish on it. I don't want aluminum or Teflon. Both are poisonous to the body. It looked like a thin stainless steel pan. Also, after cooking a 5-pound chicken, the chicken grease, I added no oils or fats, splattered all over the oven, and it seeped onto the crumb tray and leaked out. It dripped on the counter from the crumb pan. That was it. I was done. Not happy. Do the people who design these electronics actually use these devices themselves? I think not. I do like CUISINART, so this was a disappointment. I have pots and pans and a toaster oven from them. To the best of our knowledge, the pan is stainless steel. A best practice for the wire basket, on the other hand, is to avoid scrubbing your air fryer basket with rough materials that will cause the coating to peel easily. To remove dirt or cooked on grime from your air fryer basket, let it soak in water and soap for 10 minutes. Then use a soft sponge and remove as much as possible. As for the mentioned 5-pound chicken, the Model 95's max air fry capacity is 4 pounds. Exceeding this limit can lead to oil spills and possibly even fires. Amazon has 3,924 reviews with a 4.3 average rating. The primary critical review comes from Jason P. We came from a Philips air fryer. Wish we purchased another Philips. We burn our hands a lot checking on food progress. A handle on the grates would be nice to pull out the grates to see how things are cooking. This is a large machine and there are many places to clean. Dripping grease on the heating elements causes flames and smoke. Long preheat times and cool down times. The fan runs after the unit is off to cool down the cooker. Seems the right side is hotter than the left side. French fries burn on one side and are soggy on the other side. The price was expensive and what a letdown. Would not suggest buying it. It's hard to know why grease spills are occurring in this instance. Adhering to the owner's manual guidelines should limit spillage that causes grease fires. Preheat times vary, but the preheat preset is adjustable. As for the cooling fan, when the countdown cooking timer reaches 0, the oven will beep 3 times and the heaters will turn off. After the heaters turn off, the fan will remain on for 2 minutes, appearing on the countdown timer for cooling purposes. Keep in mind, none of these possible solutions we have suggested is saying that there was not a defective unit shipped to a consumer, or that some of the design choices by Cuisinart are without issue or question. We have simply tried to address customers' concerns in these reviews with possible answers sight unseen.
Summary and opinion.
Overall, the Cuisinart TAO-95 has amassed thousands of what appear to be primarily honest reviews from happy customers. There are numerous pictures posted by owners showing great results with the Model 95. While it's impossible for any modern electronic device to avoid defective units, Cuisinart has been very proactive in handling defective returns at no cost to the consumer. Of course, not everyone has a positive experience with returns, and we cannot know the exact issues that led to an angry review. Sometimes it's an owner's misplaced sense of entitlement, and other times it's inept customer service. At the end of the day, this is not a set-it-and-forget-it appliance, and you should never leave an air fryer unattended. There is a learning curve to air frying successfully, and the Model 95 user manual includes dozens of recipes and helpful tips. Unlike many companies pumping out air fryers these days, Cuisinart appears to be paying attention to quality customer service and detailed operating instructions. Whether or not people read those instructions is on them. There are so many cheap air fryers on the market today that end up being just some sort of glorified hairdryer. Admittedly, we initially felt this was another air fryer gimmick or cash grab, but it turned out to be a legit product, and therefore we can give the Cuisinart TAO-95 a highly recommended rating. Hopefully this review has been helpful, and any likes, comments, or subscription this video may receive are greatly appreciated. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.
Thank you for watching HPR.